Hi there, students. Tithe, tithe, a tithe. Um, Also a verb, to tithe. So both a noun and a verb. Let's see. A tithe is an amount of money that members of a church congregation give or pay to the church as a tax. So if you're a member of a church, you could tithe a percentage of your income to the church, yeah, um, to effectively support the church or support your religion, or by giving a percentage of your earnings. Let's see, this idea or this word tithe is at least 1,000 years old. The old meaning of tithe, a tithe is a tenth, yeah, 10%, one part in 10. And originally, tithes, or the donations or the taxes, because this was a tax in those days, that you had to pay the church was 10%. And in the Middle Ages, for example, tithes were normally paid in kind, in produce. So, for example, in wheat, yeah, and in the UK, you can still find buildings that used to be tithe barns. This is a barn or a granary where the tithes from the local parish, from the local community, were kept by the church. Yeah, you could have something like a tithe pig. Yeah, so you pay your church tax with a pig, with a tithe pig. Okay, and this is the idea of to tithe. Um, so yes, you could, for example, employees in the company were encouraged to tithe 1% of their earnings to a fund which would help people in need. Okay, so this word tithe, it's a fixed amount of money or goods that's regularly given in order to support a church, a priest, or a charity. So yeah, the charity tries to encourage people to tithe 1% or 3% of their income to the charity. Yeah, in the old days, this used to be a tax. Yeah, but nowadays, tithes are completely voluntary. Okay, so tithes, a tithe. This word's rather old-fashioned. I think I would only use it in this idea of tithing money to a charity, tithing a percentage of your income to a charity. I'd probably give it 6.5 to 7 in formality. Um, what would I say informally? A donation. Yeah. Um, and then as to origin, well, it comes from an old English word, teopian, a tithe, which probably comes from Proto-Germanic tehundo, talking about a tenth. Yeah. Okay. So a tithe, um, a part of your income that you donate to your church. So church tithes. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Tithe.